Hello, Slaters. Slaters, today I'm going to ask you something very important. Slaters, would you all like to stay near a garbage bin? Would you all like to smell the obnoxious smell of the garbage all the time? And above all, will we all stay healthy and happy if we are living in places which are unhygienic and dirty? No, isn't it? So, Slaters, what should we do in order to prevent our homes, neighborhoods, and our planets to become a huge garbage bin? Correct. We should keep our surroundings clean. It is the responsibility of each and every individual to clean their homes, their surroundings, their neighborhoods, and the entire planet. If we fail to do this, it will lead to piling up of garbage and result in spread of diseases. We know that several pests like rats, mosquitoes and flies breed in such places and lead to spread of diseases like malaria, typhoid, dysentery, diarrhea and much more. Therefore, we should always keep our surroundings clean. Now, Slaters, can you all tell me, what do you all do with the things that are of no use for you at home? Correct. Most of us usually dump it in the garbage bin in our homes. However, it is important to understand that just throwing away the garbage does not help us in keeping our environment clean. Yes, Slaters, we should understand that there are two types of waste: degradable and non-degradable waste. Degradable waste includes the waste material which easily rots and breaks down into the soil. On the other hand, non-degradable waste does not or takes very long time to break down into the soil. Degradable waste is usually naturally obtained things which includes various food products like vegetables and fruit peels, leftover food, leaves, paper, human and animal body waste. Non-degradable waste usually includes man-made things like glass, plastic, polythene bags and metals. This waste stays in the environment for a very long time and pollutes it. Therefore, we should dispose our waste very carefully. You all must have seen the two different colored waste bins which have been distributed by the Telangana government. The color of one bin is blue and the other is green. The green dustbin is meant for wet or degradable waste, while the blue dustbin is for disposing plastic or non-degradable waste. There is also a red colored dustbin which is meant for disposing biohazard waste like blood swabs and other clinical waste. As we do not use this in our homes, for us the blue and green dustbin is enough for segregating and disposing our waste. Now, Slaters, cleaners and garbage collectors must be visiting your community or homes regularly. But have you all ever thought, where do they take these mounds of garbage? The waste collected by the waste collectors is taken for further disposal. There are three main ways in which this garbage is disposed. This is done by either open dumping, landfills or by burning. Now, open dumping is done by throwing away all the collected waste in a place which is far away from the town or city. Although this method is very convenient and not very expensive, it is not very good for an environment, as it prones to be exposed various harms like building up of pests and causing disease or seepage of pollutants in soil and groundwater, leading to pollution. The second way of disposing waste is in a landfill. Landfill is a carefully designed structure which is built on top of the ground. Here, the waste and the trash are isolated from the surrounding. A large deep hole is dug into the ground which is filled by the waste. The design of a landfill helps in protecting the surrounding area from getting polluted. In some landfills, a synthetic plastic liner is used for separating the waste from the environment. Once these holes are filled with waste, they are covered with soil. The third way of disposing waste is by burning or incineration. Here, the waste is collected in an isolated far-off place and is burned. However, this method also can result in pollution of air and generation of unpleasant odor or smell. So, Slaters, these methods are the most common methods used for disposing large amounts of waste collected from our homes. But do you all know, there is another eco-friendly method of disposing our kitchen degradable waste. Can you all tell me what that method is? Correct, composting. Slaters, composting is a simple and easy method for making your eco-friendly way of disposing waste. However, this method is only suitable for degradable waste. This includes vegetable and fruit peels, leftover food and leaves. One thing that you should remember is to not add anything that is already rotting in your compost pit. For making your own compost pit, you need to dig a hole in the ground and fill it with household degradable waste and layer it with dried leaves. Sprinkle some water and keep adding the waste until it turns into manure. This manure can be used as a fertilizer for your plants. Slaters, the well-known mantra of keeping our surroundings and planet clean is the practice of 3 R's. This includes reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce involves reducing the use of non-degradable things like plastic bags or generation of waste. Reuse involves reusing cardboard boxes, plastic jars, and aluminium cans. Reusing old clothes by making bags and dusters. Recycle involves making new things from old used things. Paper can be recycled from old newspaper and magazine papers. Using recycled papers promotes recycling factories and also reduces the load on the environment by reducing the cutting down of trees. Wow, Slaters, I'm sure you all must be doing this in your homes too. Using a cloth bag to the market, using recycled paper and pencils, and segregation of waste are some important ways in which we can save our environment. As we all know, Earth is the only planet where humans can survive. This is our home and we should keep it clean and healthy. So, Slaters, in our third lesson, we will look into all these topics in depth and understand them in a better way. I would like you all to read the lesson once. I will meet you all in the next session. Till then, keep learning, dear Slaters. Thank you.